Alrighty. So I actually haven't done one of these sort of videos. Um, if you're wondering what I'm doing today, we're gonna go ahead and look through some of the toolbox stuff inside of this. Um, I found this, and I'll show you at the very end of the video what that looks like, because it's kind of funny in my opinion. But we're gonna look through the trending and see why these are trending. This is gonna make me regret life, probably. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first row. We're gonna put all the first row in. So first we have the old stud part. We have steal a brain rot. What the what the Okay, first okay. I have to check out what the fuck this is later when we're done checking out this stuff in here. Um we have a kill brick. Thank you. You made something that any novice, whatever, Mappa SAB. Isn't this literally this is literally the same map here as this one here. Just I'm not good. Okay. We have ball. What the Oh, this is from that game that's been hitting out. Wait, like you're inside of a ball. What the fuck is this? I'm scared. Alright. Let's put a first drag this over here. We'll check the lethality of that brick. Let's pull that over here. And we're gonna go to model. We're going to insert a spawn, and then we're just gonna press play. I also do have my own movement mechanic I have in my previous game. So first things first, let's see. What is this? That is the fucking arrows go the wrong way. Crazy. Yeah, that's an old school brick right there. Let's see, kill brick. Yep. This is something already, and it is literally, besides the sitting thing. This is literally just the movement system here. Cool, I guess. So let's grab all this stuff. Let's delete it. Let's go into this area. Let's set up a spawn. So we spawn here. Let's what is what? I don't think this has any. It does not. Okay. I was gonna say, I don't think this has any scripting, and it does not. Oh, let's just do that. Oh god, we have another one. Anyways, we have item animatable. I had a stroke. Items animatable. I'm not gonna touch it. Pet system kit. Read me. Okay. Subscribe to them on YouTube for more of that. Okay. I'm good. Meaning I'm not gonna use that. Steal a. I can't with this game half the time. Steal. Steal a thing. What is this? I swear. Menu GUI. What do you mean? Oh god. That seems interesting. I'll have to check. Flood is okay. Let's just. I actually kind of like the way that looks too. I will say if it works how I think it'll work, I'll have to give props. It does not. All right, no. It could just be the fact. Oh, unlock base. Oh my god. Oh my god. It. This hurts me. This hurts me. Okay. Let's actually first thing. Let's get rid of that. Menu screen GUI, which I'm guessing wants me to put this in the starter GUI and this into the workspace. So let's. What was that? What was that? Alright. This looks interesting. But I think the problem is this. Yeah. I don't think that. Wait, first off, let me ungroup this. Could be the reason. Let me ungroup this. Oh? There we go. This could be straight up the whole thing. Settings, game icon, game name. I don't know. Funny, haha. That's that variable. Funny, haha. Now let's see if this works. It could have been a. Okay, this is really cool. Problem though. Yeah. The clicking doesn't work. The idea is absolutely amazing. I will say that. This in itself is really cool. Oh no, the jet engine's starting. If we go to plugins, go to here, and I do like the dark and gloomy, and then we play again. This will look fucking dope. Yeah, this looks really cool with the dark and gloomy. If I was making a horror game, I would definitely use this. So, despite these not working, I'm sure there's a reason why, like, why dumbass forgot to undo something or something. It's probably something fairly simple. Like, I messed up with something in here or some bullshit like that. Which I don't think I did. I mean, this script itself, one, is decently, I think it's like almost 200 script. So, in all reality, let me first off, like, go away from you, because it could be the fact that my camera is breaking, the in-game thing is breaking it, so. Yeah, I will say this is really cool. I love the loading. I don't know if it's because I did something wrong or what, but the clicking doesn't change. So I'm guessing you have to actually manage the script itself to be able to do anything with this. You might customize it to your way, but I will say if you're making a horror game and you didn't want to, or if you wanted to make a base plate off of like something, like if you wanted have this exact type of movement, exact where the camera is, but you want to build your own area around this instead of having this. This could be a good base plate from it, or this could be just your game. Otherwise, I must say this is amazing. I give this a total props. Whoever made it, you are goated. Now let me fucking change this back to default graphics. Um, but I will say, it literally just could be the fact that I messed something up. I'm not perfect, but that menu, it's 65%. I would up it, but I would also say that there's a few problems, like there's no clicking. But it looks amazing. Flood Escape 2. Is this straight up a game? I'm not gonna mess with any of that. I don't even know what the Flood Escape is. I really don't like clicking on anything that I don't understand. Where is this? Is this a movement? I don't know. I can't understand it because I don't speak, or I do speak. I don't understand that though. Uh, GIF player? What? I'm glad I don't understand it. GIFs use empty function, so many Roblox types checking screens under. Oh, that's what you mean, a jump scare. Okay. What did I click on? What the fuck is this? I'm deleting that. Global leaderboards. These are usually pretty cool. Shit. We should probably put a spawn in and like keep it there, so we don't keep on falling from fucking Narnia. Uh, I will say, you can probably customize this however you want, and it'd probably work. I'm pretty sure. I like, me personally, I like to keep my stuff really customizable. I don't know if other people like to. I'm gonna get that rid of that thumbnail. Structure, screen, you can, yeah, script. Yeah, 10, okay, so yeah, no, this is really customizable from this, just this script. If you know how to read script, you can see, really customizable. I like that. It's really clean. Um, no wonder why it has a good thing. Speed Coil Game Pass. What? Yeah, no, speed coils don't work in my games. uh, okay, this seems interesting. A global announcement system. So this wants to go into server script service. This one's going to storage UI, and this wants to go into replicated storage. Credits. I'm gonna open this up. Bluefinity. I got this. I might be smart enough, hopefully. So let's pull that out of the folder. Let's pull that out of that folder. Starter, let's pull that out of the folder also. I don't like having things in folder. I don't know how this works, though. Okay, let's just... Alright, doesn't work. Great. Okay. It makes sense. I think this is supposed to... Oh, it's one of those. Okay, it makes sense now. I just realized what the fuck it meant by that. This is what I saw, and I was like, ooh, this seems interesting. So, apparently when you die, such as this, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to put that in somewhere. A good way to check if following the module is required to create a death screen in Roblox. I see that advanced name tag and that seems kind of interesting. I'm gonna guess that this is supposed to go in the starter GUI. No, it's not. Alright. Another place this could go into is the starter player script. I don't think it's gonna be character. Alright. I probably should read the script itself. Does not tell me where it's supposed to go. Lovely. Because any of that could go anywhere. Put it in character script with my... Nope. Okay, I hardly doubt it's gonna go here. Makes sense. Usually things like that don't go there. One area it could be the server side scripting service, which is not. It's really all I can think it's going in. So although it looks cool, my brain cannot figure out what it does. I see that advanced name tag thing seems to have a lot more. Again, it's, I think here, a simple one prescript. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, this is pretty cool. I like how it shows the fact that the player has premium, and I'm guessing that means I'm the owner. That's pretty cool if you want a game like that. I personally have a game that already has the kind of... Fuck, my brain's not braining. Name tag. I think you guys saw it. I don't know. I'll show you at the end of the video. After I show you the funny haha stuff. I keep on doing that. Again, thank you to Wheeze Was Taken. Because honestly, anyone who can go ahead and make scripts, you're really cool. So. Alright, let's look at simpler AI. What the fuck is that? Okay, let's test this out. Oh no, it killed me! Oh. Replicated storage, server script, server storage, that's new. I rarely see. I swear to God, if this fucking jump scares me. As I say, I don't think it's worked because I have everything still in the model. Again, you usually want to go ahead. No! Put him out here. Where he belongs. Unmodel. 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 I'm gonna unmodel the safe zone. I'm gonna unmodel that. Maybe you want to keep that as a model. I swear to God, if this actually does... Okay, I was gonna say, don't fucking jump scare me. Let's remodel this real quick. And, let's... Oh, that's fucking creepy. And he ain't moving. Okay, noted. Loser. Cool idea, and I'm sure you can, if you're really good, fuck, sorry, if you're a really good, I heard no chase team. Why is my brain, like, blinking right now? If you're good at, looking through other scripts and being able, to change them, I can't really... Ooh, this is interesting. Yes. Put the starter script, put in character starter scripts and then dash script. Thank you. I should probably go ahead and click this real quick. See, F key. That's crazy. It's F. Is there supposed to be an animation with it? It could be the fact that my stuff is overriding the animation. I'm gonna disable that. I do believe. Nope, there isn't a animation for it. Meaning, one of two things. I'm There is a dash here, so... I want to... First things first. By the way, ignore the name. I just realized this isn't going to be a game I'm posting. I literally randomly named it so I can put my script in it with R6. I hate the fact that you have to have R6... have to make it a game to be able to change R6 unless you don't have to. I could be a retard. Anyways. This seems interesting. Let's quickly go to Avatar, go to animations, and check out the What is that? How did I only realize that this is fucking R15? That's not a dash, my guy. That's a roll. Anyway. Dashing script's cool. If we made it R6, it would have worked on my end, but otherwise. RPG! But this goes into the started UI. Oh, this is cool. Where the does the script go? This is leaderboard, so it's probably gonna be in server script. I had to guess. Okay, I can get down with this. I can get down with this. This is cool. I might keep this in here just to play around with it later on to see how to make things work with this, but this is pretty fucking cool. I'm gonna disable and leaderboard disable. Those are cool. I'm gonna keep those in for now, and then we'll try to make a game out of this. I'm not gonna publish it, but I'll make a game out of it once I get my other games done. I think this is voice proximity chat. I don't want to know. It says voice. I'm good. Perfect R6 ragdoll. Alright. First things first, let's look in here. Server character scripts. Okay, makes about sense. It's usually where you want anything to ragdoll. I'm guessing that's actually really good. I might keep that here for now. I do believe what you can do is also pile drive. Yep. Okay. So I can. I'm gonna keep that here for now. It's cool. I gotta say, nice, cool. Really unique actually, because I find all of our 15 ones, but rarely find R6 animations. I don't know why that's still there. It's been there the whole thing. The reason I put that in is to look for a creator for that Teto. What the I'm not gonna ask. Where were we? Here. Alright, team outfit script. I'm good. Run script. Oh boy, let's put this in. We're gonna have to disable disable this for now, sadly. I need to undo that. Instructions. Thank you. Put the corresponding models in their location. Ungroup the models. Run the game. Noted. Thank you. Alright. Server character scripts. Replicated storage. Let's ungroup. And starter GUI. Again. Starter GUI. That's mobile GUI. I don't play mobile, so. Cool. It's as if I've already done that, just not for mobile. Which I'm gonna cry myself to sleep when we do have to do that. Anyways. Glitch Ray movement pack? What the fuck? Alright, there's another one where we're gonna have to disable mine. I believe so. Character scripts. Player scripts. Read me. Some of these scripts here were not made by me. I put these together for each topic. Thank you, Glitch Ray, for this. This could definitely be for R15, which would make it to where I can't actually... I like the bobbing, kind of. I like the head movement also. I do like the little head thing. In my personal preference, I'll say it's nice. If I were to keep anything, I would keep the head turning script. Oh, there's shift lock. I need to turn that on real quick. That's what it means, my smooth shift lock. Okay. Control, which is shift lock. I actually might use it for my own game. I like the smooth shift lock. Body movements, I want to see if it works with mine. Oh. I need to figure out how to turn it off manually. The body movements look a bit weird with my running script, but other than that... And then the head movement, I would say, in my personal opinion, really good. I like the body and the smooth shift lock. Those are some really cool ones. We'll keep that one in for now, and then maybe we can build off of that later on in like another video where I don't know, I make a game in like a set amount of time or something. But Glitch Ray, you do good, man. Uh, all right. We're gonna end at the uh we're gonna end here at the VG eclipsing. That's where we're gonna stop. So we now have the emote system. This stuff I've always wanted to figure out how to make one. Oh Jesus. Replicated storage, server script, character script, and then starter GUI. All right. I think because we have them in a folder. I'll say it looked cool, but it probably is for, sadly, um, R15. A lot of games now are swapping with R15. For emotes, it makes sense because honestly, the R15 emotes look a lot better usually, but in terms of easy movement, R6 is just better in terms of easier to start with. If you want to start animating, I'd say start with R6. You only have 6 things you have to worry about. The FPV dynamic camera. Probably I'm supposed to put this in something. Server character strips. Usually these are just going. Oh, okay. A first person stuff. Again, I really love watching how people make things. A first person first person view dynamic camera. Love that. If I would make a first person game, this would definitely be my choice. I'm gonna keep it in this. I'm gonna probably keep this as my storage game, honestly. First thing that comes out, press F, so we go back down here to the fucking world. Um, press view. It's open a toolbox again. First person view, really cool. Next we have Code Door. And we have Ashton Lua's round system. Whatever the fuck that means. Replicated storage, server script service, starter GUI. Oh, okay. Read this. Thank you. You can watch the full tutorial on my video. Blah blah blah. Thank you for trying to promote your shit on my end. Cool. I'm not really looking to do this right now, so I'll say that's pretty cool if you want to have a thing where it puts you into a new game after X amount of people are playing or some shit like that. Yeah, cool. Code door. Correct code, which is oh my god, no way. You you're kidding. I don't even know this. Okay, what if... Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I like this. I like the fact that it generates a random number. Code the code door. Cool. Um, stage kit. What? Yikes! My fucking PC hates this. That's what you mean by stage kit. Oh my Jesus. Uh-oh. Please don't tell me my PC's shutting down. I'm gonna test something. Okay, no, it's not my PC. It's just... Oh my god, it crashed my... in Roblox. Okay, delete. I pressed the delete button. We have to wait now. Oh my god. Okay. That almost broke my fucking game. Holy shit. I can't move it. I can't move it. If I try to move it, my fucking entire game starts to have problems. I'm gonna delete this. It looks cool. It looks nice. I can't use it. Official NDC build kit. Why did I press this? This is probably gonna break my fucking PC too. Oh no. Okay, never mind. It isn't. What? Oh, what? I am. A lot of things. What does NDC mean? Am I like missing something? I like the guns. The guns are cool. Do they work? Probably not. You have to, yeah, they probably do. You have to scrap them. This looks cool. Um, oh no. Raycast hitbox. I'm not doing that because I have nothing to test that with. Yes, please. Blood system. Let's first click this. Nothing in here. No, dude. Lovely. I'd have to say character script. I can't rate it. So I'd love to be able to rate it, but there's nothing for me to see, so. Alright, now we're coming down to the last ones. I'm gonna be more picky. This one's car. I'm good. Uh Antidotes. Try to add antidotes to your game. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. That seems like it's gonna crash my fucking game. I'm good. Sitting shoulder, pal. Okay, this is the one I was looking at. This seems interesting. Tool shop. Replicated storage. Ungroup. Server script service. Ungroup. Server storage. Ungroup. Starter GUI. Ungroup. Okay. So it's just more of the kind of RPG. I'm pretty sure if I click on the player's name for this, we'll get the whole entire stuff for it. But we're not looking for that right now. So game folder. What's this? Oh my god. This is Grow a Garden. This is like a really low end Grow a Garden. And we're looking at the end here. Trait add-on V3. I'm good. Diagonite Auto. I'm not gonna try that. No. View model, arms, clothing. What? What? This is like. What? What? Huh? What? Hey! I'm gonna guess this probably goes into Star's character? I'm so confused. I'm guessing this is supposed to show the player their arms while in first person view. That's all I can guess. Yeah. Alright, we have gun package, and then whatever that is. Let's get gun package. Sure. Controller support, what the fuck is this? It's a car. It's a fucking car. Parte 2, Gravity Coil Game Pass, whatever that is, Advanced Running. I'm good. What? What is that? Sorry. Kit Monster. It's a kit for making a monster. Anyways, we'll try to do this one. Alright, because I'm pretty sure my game is loading whatever the fuck this is. I can only guess it's a vehicle. But anyways, let's close out of that. We found some really cool things, and a couple of them I would definitely suggest. A couple I would definitely not suggest. The thing here, the RPG one, if you want to make an RPG, that's a pretty good place to start. It's a ragdoll, first 6, really cool. FPV, first person view, another really cool one. Like, a lot of these, I find myself actually like, wow, this is cool. But now, well, actually, sorry, we forgot to test something. We forgot to test the gun. Yep, it's a gun. Alright. Now, for what you guys have been waiting for. Since, like, the very beginning of the video, I teased you guys on this. So, before we end this video, I'm going to show you guys this, and then I'm going to show you guys my other game I've been working on besides the Black Site. So let's go ahead and show you guys this. Animation editor, click on you, let's press this. Wonderful starting. Alright, let's play it! By the way, I'm pretty sure this is the only animation. Yup. You've been waiting a lot of time just to see that. Also, I'm publishing this on my YouTube completely unedited. So, it's not the first time I'm publishing something completely unedited, but I gotta say, I don't do this often. But, real quick, I'm gonna swap over to here. I know if you look closely, you'll see that there's a bit of misspelling in that makes about sense because I'm kind of dyslexic. When I mean kind of, I mean I'm really dyslexic. But let me show you the game I personally have been putting more scripting, less map building into. So I'm gonna let this stuff load real quick while we wait. Alright. Oh, I forgot to do something very important. Alright, there we go. Let me wait for this to load fully. There we go. So this is, ignore the really low frame rates because I clicked out of it. This is Parasitical Outbreak. I need to fix that in the text because holy shit, is it bad. You cannot see it in this. I'm probably making it white. Update. It says open beta. The game's not open. It's only for when I actually do this. Again, when my friends who have this, when I get to that stuff, I'll do it. As you can see, I have a little VFX. There's Sans, there's Miwa, there's my bawling character, there's my Japanese character, and then there's a furry in the background who's being first choked, I only presume. By the way, I did not mess with that. I don't know why, but that character there literally just moved up on its randomness. So I'm just like, okay. As you can see, this is what I have so far. It uses the exact... I need to lower the jump. But it uses the exact movement system guys previously saw. So, what's this over here? It's a door that you can't walk into unless you're specifically until security. Which, I mean, I'm going to put security room. And as security right now, all you spawn with is a security card. These are just decorations for now. Eventually, I might make it to where like you can walk up, you can hold E, and you grab it, and you have that gun. If I want to do that. But like, my PC is becoming a jet engine because of this. But now you're able to walk through this just because you have that security card. That is almost everything. Also, if you noticed, my name did change from green to white. That's because of this. We're going to ignore the bioluminescent stuff. So, as you can see, we have a little guy here. Owie. So, this guy will hunt you down and actively, what's a good word? Unalive you. I want to make it to where if you taken damage, you cannot respawn until you're back to full HP. Yeah, that wonderful. Wonderful things going on here. Anyways, have a good day, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.